This is a review of the Hexagon LED lights that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys everything what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to test this product out to see whether or not if this thing is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so before we unbox this, I do want to show you guys the different types of patterns that you can have it. So you can have set to this, however your preferences, and it's really cool to see how you could choose and, to have it however the design you want. So yeah, we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so I got everything set up, and this is how I got it customized. Now, you could choose however you wanted to have it customized, like it states on the box. So you could choose however you want it and have it build it according to your perspective. And I have it built like this. And I have it plugged to my computer as well, too, to show you guys the finished results. These are extra ones that it comes with as well, too. So right from here, we get the remote control. And then to turn it on, you could press to either that, or either you can turn it on from here as well too. So if I hit this button here, it will turn on automatically as well too. But I want to go show it to you guys from the remote control. So to turn it on, you just press on, and look at the beautiful results of this Hexagon LED lights. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. And this is from a broad light on top of my my room. And you can see how bright this thing is. And now right from here, we have different settings that comes with as well too. So you could adjust the speed, and then we're going to go press number 2. And you're going to see how it's different types of RGB effects that this thing has. And as I'm talking as well too, you can see that it's also beating to the music as well too. So even if I'm talking, it's beating to, you can see how it's beating to music as well too. So if you have music on, it's going to beat to the music, which is a huge plus and a cool feature that it comes with as well too. Setting number 3 is quite amazing as well too. Different color options as well too. It really is amazing. And like I told you guys before, you could customize this to however you want it. And not just that, but to install it on your wall now. If you're wondering how you install this onto your wall, well, it comes with the 8 adhesive pads. Then after that, it comes with the 4 sets of wall mount screws. So you can screw it up to your wall. And then not just that, but it comes with the wall hooks as well too. So the hooks itself, they are right over here. Yeah, right over here, the wall hooks that it comes with. So you put this underneath the backside to install it. You have different options to pretty much install this. So you could either use a sticky adhesive, which is I usually prefer to mount it onto the wall, or you could use the screw method, or you could use the wall hooks method. So yeah, but other than that, I would definitely recommend this, and you could adjust it to like one color as well too, and then you could choose solid colors as well too, and adjust the brightness as well too. It has all types of functions. You could have it set for 1 hour as well too, or 2 hours or 3 hours. You could adjust the time limit as well too. It has a bunch of features, the RF wireless remote control, and you could adjust everything, which I want to show you guys all the color modes of that you're going to see. All these color modes are absolutely beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much all the color modes. If you're looking for a LED customization for your room and you are wanting to pretty much change the experience to your entire room, then I would definitely recommend these Hexagon LED lights starters, because of the fact that it's absolutely amazing. It changes the appearance to your home as well too, and it's very user friendly, easy to install. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something to change your entire atmosphere of your room.